Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Minty Joe. For those of you who do not know me, I am an American that lives in Venice, Italy, and I am here to talk about locks, life, love, and anything that's going to help us to be the best version of ourselves. Before we get started with this video, I'd please would like you to subscribe to my channel. I'd love you to leave a comment. Please check me out, and if you want to know more about the different things that I've had to deal with being an African American in Italy as far as my hair is concerned, please check out the rest of my videos. So today I would like to talk about something that is always on the mind of people that are locked. Moisture, moisture. Can I say it again? Moisture. It is something that we will continuously need to understand so that we can find a method that will work for us. And that is my journey. I have been right now going on I am 13 months locked, going on 14 now in May, and I'm still learning. This is a platform, guys, where we're continuously learning and giving each other hacks to help our hair to flourish is what we're all about on this channel. So I wanted to tell you about something. I used to do this method where I would get up in the morning and I would spray my hair with water, and I would also give it a little bit of oil to seal it. And of course, we know that there are different oils out there that can help with sealing your hair better. And I would use, castor oil, not all the time because it's a heavier oil, but usually almond oil or olive oil. But I started noticing that throughout the day, my hair would just get so dry. And as I told you before, that my hair is very dry normally, even when I was a loose natural. So I am on a mission to try to discover what I need to do to make my locks not necessarily wet with moisture, but just to keep them as moisturized as possible, because of course with that helps the hair to grow. All right, so what I decided to do was, instead of just getting my a bottle and spraying my hair and putting a little bit of oil on it, I decided to section my hair and do that. And I tried this for the last couple of days, and actually I really liked the outcome. I was able to maintain the oil and the moisture in my hair, and that's what I needed. Okay, now everyone is different. You may not need to do this every day for your hair, but this girl, she got to do it every day. Okay, so let me show you what I do. So in the morning, when I wake up, what I do is I section my hair off in 4. And then what I do is I get my water bottle, and I have different things that have oils and things like that, but I like mainly water because I just think that that's the best thing for my hair. So what I do, let me put this out of the way, is I just go ahead and I section my hair and I spray it down, okay? I usually try to spray the ends of the hair, okay? Make sure they're nice and moisturized. Then what I do is I get an oil. Now this is argan oil. I liked argan oil, and I decided to buy some at the Bangladesh stores. For those of you who live in Italy, you know that there are a lot of Bangladesh stores here, and they have some great things. So I just got a little bit of this oil, and I just put it on my hair. I don't put it on the scalp. Okay, my scalp has been already oiled. I did that a few days ago. I use castor oil, for those of you that don't know. And I just, put that on, okay? And I just put it down the shaft of the hair. And what I do is I go ahead and I re-put my little scrunchie, or not, this is a tie. It's not elastic, but a little tie here just to keep it in place. And I go ahead and I do all of that. I do the back. Let me do one more section for you. Okay, very quickly. And I did this the other day and I really liked it, like I said. So here we go. Okay, sections of your hair. I section mine in 4s. You may want to do it much larger, or if you have more hair, or smaller, depends on you. Okay, and I just again sprayed it. Okay, got my little oil here. Okay, and you have to decide on the oil that it is that you want to use, and just bring it down to the shaft of your hair all the way through, and then you get your head tied just to keep it elongated. Okay, that's what I do. Sometimes I put some on the ends as well. I'm not gonna do that today, but sometimes I do that. And then I do the front of my hair. Okay, the same technique. I do the front quickly. It takes about a few minutes to do this, especially if you're in a hurry. Okay, all right, get your oil. Here we go, all the way down the hair. And put the scrunchie on it, or the head tie on it, or whatever it is called. Okay, all right, and this is the last one, and I'm doing it kind of quick this morning because I actually did it before. I did it this morning when I just got up. Okay, but I just wanted to give you a fresh look of what it would look like when it's first done. Okay. All right, so this is what I do. And again, sometimes I put some of the, I may put some elastic bands at the ends of my hair. And usually what I do is I do this and then I put on my makeup. Okay. All right, so just do a turn so you can see. All right. Okay, then after I'm finished with that, I just take them out very slowly. You want to make sure you don't drag things out of your hair. Okay, we want to take them out slowly, shake it out. And it does look a little flat in the beginning, which I don't really have a problem with that. And then it does fluff up as the days go by. Another thing that I do too is I always make sure that I have something in my purse. Ladies, it's really important to have something. So if you feel your hair getting really, really parched, you can go ahead and just do a spray. This is a combination of water and also some argan oil that I bring with me. All right, so that's basically it. I just wanted to show you the way that I moisturize my hair. Let me show you the back. Okay. All right, it is 3 weeks in now that I twisted it, and I'm going to be washing it, not retwisting it for another couple of weeks. And that is my method. I hope that will help you. Thank you for coming by. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to leave a comment. Love to hear from you. And if you have a hack that you do that can help me out, I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much. This is Minty Jo. You have a great day. Arrivederci.